Ready to transform your knowledge into a thriving online business with Kajabi? First, let's map out your course curriculum, brainstorm the key modules and lessons, focusing on delivering value and solving your audience's specific problems. Think of it like building blocks. Each lesson should logically flow into the next. Now, it's content creation time within Kajabi. You can upload videos, create downloadable resources, quizzes, and much more. Keep your videos concise and engaging, and consider adding interactive elements to boost learner engagement. A compelling sales page is crucial for attracting students. Highlight the benefits of your course, showcase testimonials, and use clear, persuasive language. Kajabi's page builder makes it incredibly easy to create visually appealing and high-converting sales pages. Don't forget about marketing. Build an email list to nurture leads. Use social media to promote your course, and explore Kajabi's automation features to streamline your marketing efforts. Finally, decide on your pricing strategy. Consider offering different tiers or payment plans to cater to a wider audience. Once you're happy, launch your course and start sharing your expertise with the world. Creating a successful course on Kajabi is within your reach. For a more in-depth walkthrough, be sure to subscribe and check out our full Kajabi course creation playlist for more tips and tricks.